Guys, this is 800 Sylvan Englewood Clift. Roof is getting ready. Ready finished units. Coming up. All this gonna be just townhouses and apartment building. Look at this beautiful job. Boom, everything's iron steel. Going that way. Always done. How many apartments per week they doing over here?
Many apartment in the week we do, but no 100%.
Yeah.
Because before we not can do 100% because roof is not sealed. You know?
Okay.
We can install
After
boots,
they coming back, install the boots, flags, connection, fence, install the electric
fan,
fence.
because it's if you're raining for
20 apartments per week, and then our guys coming in and finish boots and other
finish
things.
everything. We do
Okay.
all the job like same dates. You know, we can finish 100% when you're coming and finish whatever. You can do like this because
Look at this job. All done. Beautiful work. If you need us for HVAC work, call us. We got the manpower.